Morning.
I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts are so good.
Morning. So this night we shared the hut with a couple that went out for hunting. This is why we didn't film much, but they just left. I'm enjoying my food and the sun, and then we head back to the car in a couple of minutes.
Out of time, you're out of time, you're out of time, and now you're out of time.
The hut is a hut again.
Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up and you think back to a time that you were lost.
So this is what they mean by muddy. And it is super muddy, and you don't know how deep you will sink in.
You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time.
So we've got this fella with a white underground, and these big ones with a brown underground, and these little white fellas. Big papa down there. You made it? Just over an hour and 5 minutes. Plan is to quickly drop the bag off and then quickly head to the McLean Falls and then to the Cathedral Caves. And another very successful hike with all trails. Amazing. McLean Falls were so far, I think, the biggest and most beautiful waterfalls, in my opinion, that we visited. Next stop, Cathedral Caves.
I haven't slept in 7 years, been racing my gears, can't dream my fantasy, I'm free on TV. You have, I have. Why can't we agree? We fight inside your broken head, go fix it instead. I think the best when I cannot breathe. We only talk inside of your dead head. I'm volunteering for the war, to want less, much more. You're burning roses when you're scared. I'm sorry I care. I'm not myself, but I don't need help. Our golden blood made of rocks and mud. I'm not myself, but I don't need help. Our golden blood made of rocks and mud. Made of rocks and mud.
What is that sound? I was whelmed. Not overwhelmed, not underwhelmed, just it was not that big of a deal. Now heading to the Niagara Falls. Alright lads and ladettes, Niagara Falls, are you ready?
Made of rocks and mud.
Yeah, now I see what he means. Right, next stop, Curious Gate. So the hunter couple told us that Curious Escape is known for their penguins. So we went for a sea view site, which is here. There better be penguins tonight. It was 50 bucks, but at least showers are included. Today's dinner will be pretty much the same as I don't know, last time we went to the van. Salad with some sprouts. This time we use these. I googled it and they obviously are full of vitamins and you can eat them raw. Salad and some spinach as well. I'll show you the result instead of the production. Yeah, as expected, pretty much the same. Cheers. I was sitting there with the bag open for like an hour, eating the salad and enjoying the view. And then I decided to walk around. So I made some tea. And now it starts to raining. So no penguins just yet, but we are in a very good position, so maybe we're just too early. It is 6:45, so maybe they come out in an hour or two. I'll keep you guys updated.
We're all made of the same red, different parts of the same band.
It's over there.
We are all one unit, different perspectives of one universe. We are all the same red, the same blood, the same thread.